everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World Captivz egg unboxing. Today I'm here with my friend Jolina.
Hello.
And we will be digging into these eggs and talking about all the stuff that the eggs contain. Yeehaw! So, like in my previous videos, y'all know that you just peel the plastic off, and it's a lot of plastic. There's another layer too, so once you get to the green part, you eating it?
No.
Oh shoot, where is it? Here. Once you get to the second layer, you gotta peel it from there, and then it kind of comes off. You got this cracky skin, and now you got this kind of like dinosaur-like skin. You can push all these guys out of the way. So this slime is very sticky, and it kind of leaves a residue, so make sure you have a bowl on hand, and you wash your hands afterwards. So Jolina, you can do the honors. Make sure you put all of everything in there.
Do I have to open it in front of the camera?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's gross.
I know, like,
Wow, it's a greeny brown.
It's kind of, well, it's on the green packaging, so it's like...
No, it is just brown. It's like an ember, I think, actually.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of, like, the egg embryo. Here.
Definitely, feels like,
Get some paper towel.
badly made slime.
Be nice to the company. I need some sponsorship.
It feels like the slime you make in your kitchen at, like, the age of 14.
At 14?
Yeah.
That's gross. But we also get...
It's also very actually, it doesn't really... This one, I don't think, leaves much of a residue, to be honest.
You sure? Just... Wait. No, you feel that?
Yeah, but it's like it's more like a chalky residue, which is weird from something that's, I'm assuming, hydro-based.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't know. Maybe...
But it's just so chalky.
Kinda chalky. I just don't like the residue feel afterwards, but I guess it's not that bad. Oh, we got something chonky in here. This is a large...
Oh, do I get to open it?
Yeah, you can pull it out.
I don't know anything about dinosaurs, let's go.
Let's go. Oh my god, yes, it's Spinosaurus. Oh, and it's huge!
Oh, whoa, you get to put it together?
Yeah.
That's actually cool. Alright, put his tail in, him,
I think it's a her.
and her. Oh yeah, because it's Jurassic Park per world.
It's so big.
Put her little head in.
Compared to the rest of the figures, like, look at the Pteranodon next to that. It's huge. So the Spinosaurus, that is, wow, one of the better figures. Like, lengthwise, it's massive. That's a lot. It's heavy, too, like, really heavy.
Also compare the, I believe this is the Indominus.
Indoraptor. Close.
Indoraptor, sorry.
You were so close.
I'm sorry, I don't actually know anything.
Oh, they
Like,
both...
comparatively, it's not only bigger, but, like, thicker.
Yeah, it's got more plastic in it. That's, like, well worth it. And the details are there. Look at, even the inside of the mouth is painted. The eyes, the snout, each individual little horn. On the Metallocinoceratops, we don't even have that horn painted. But on the small figure... Whoop, screwed up my camera. Come on. There we go. They have it painted. And you can see all the rhino skin-like textures on that. And it's even got this little Jurassic World marker on it. And I got some little ew, oh. Ah, I don't like the feel on that. Put it on my arm. And it's cold too, like.
But it is honestly, the more you look at it, you kind of start to like the color. It's definitely a very cool ember color.
Yeah, kind of like lava or amber, like both of which are very present in the Jurassic Park and World franchise. So you could pretend it's lava with your dinosaurs, you could pretend it's like an amber ball. You can even pretend it's like amniotic fluid for the egg. So we got one more egg. Let's hope it's, let's see. No. I need my monetization. Bruh, you did not hear anything. I'm not just making videos to make money. No.
Why would I edit that out?
Well, no, you see, each one of these eggs in Canadian dollars cost me like $8-ish, right? And each one of these videos generates, like, I don't know, about 5. So that's like almost enough to pay for a whole egg. I could just like continuously do this. Okay, let's see what's in the next one.
Whoa.
I
Oh,
like-
it's the same.
The same color, yeah. Same color in
slime.
each.
Let's make some.
I have a whole
Wait,
bag
oh,
of them.
they all have the same color?
Yep.
Oh, okay, well, I could have. Thanks.
What?
Oh, it is.
No, they got it. It would be weird if they had different colors. That just feels a little cheap in a way because, like, it's what you get from random stuff. But this has a theme to it. So let's see what's in this one. Another Sinoceratops. It's trading time. Yeah, I've got a few friends that want to trade these with me. Oh, make that ASMR for the camera.
That's what it sounds like if you slap it.
Yes. It's afraid you're gonna say something else. Oh, and the horn's the same too. Look at that. I like these. I like the popping. You could probably hybridize them, like
Do the other ones fall?
each of them pop.
Bro.
That's so cool.
Playing with slime in the background.
No, but it's addicting. I think I've got one more little dino here in my... Here's the Stygimoloch to go with. Look at that. I love the detailing on the horns. They're really great at just coloring all those small details. Even each of the feet have their toes painted, even on the small figures, like small little fingers too. That's amazing level of detail right there. Let's try if we can hybridize one.
One thing, this slime smells horrible, by the way. It smells like sunscreen.
Oh, I touched my nose. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to wash my nose. It says wash your hands afterwards on the packaging. I just inhaled some. It's fine. I'm probably not gonna die. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, guys, these also come with these little card token thingies, which you can use to battle each other, which is rival T-Rex. Do they have rivals on them? What? Wait, I haven't seen rival Indoraptor. Echo's rival is the Indoraptor? I thought the Triceratops rival would be the T-Rex. What's the Stegosaurus rival? Baryonyx? What? It's Indoraptors. Okay, I didn't know these little tokens had little rival blue, of course. What's a Stygies rival? Rival Echo? What? Okay, that's interesting. But anyways, on the back you see there's little things and you can use them to battle each other. I'll probably make a video on how to battle later, but you can check out in my description the actual company that makes these YouTube account and you can see their video on how to use them in play and battle. So I hope you guys loved this video. It was very fun collabing with my friend and I'll be sure to do more like this in the future. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.